guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Christmas makeup tutorial. So I'm in my Christmas jumper, ready for Christmas. And every year on my channel I film a Christmas makeup tutorial. So this is my 2020 version. And it's like a classic, simple Christmas makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to prime my face using this Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. I'm going to go in with another primer as well, just because I need my makeup to last all day on Christmas Day. So I'm going in with a matte primer. This is the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply it. Now for foundation, I wanted a nice full coverage foundation. So I'm going for the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation, and mine is in the shade F1, which is the lightest shade that they do. And this is a really full coverage foundation. It's also a pump, so it's slightly different to the original full coverage foundation by Revolution. This is more of a dewy one, and it has a pump instead of a doe foot applicator. So I'm going to apply this with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Then I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer in the shade C1. This is also really full coverage. And I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush to blend it in. And then to set my face, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. And to set my eye area first, I'm using my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my You Spicy 31 brush. Okay, so I'm going to carry on with the rest of my face before I move on to my eyes. So to contour, I'm using my NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe, using my You Spicy 27 brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to apply it with my IT Cosmetics Flawless Powder Brush. Then for blush, I'm going in with a nice winter shade of blush. This just screams Christmas and winter to me. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Blush in the shade Between the Sheets. And I'm going to apply that with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. Then for a bit of Christmas glow, I'm going in with the Colourpop Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek Highlight. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Setting Brush. Okay, so now I've zoomed you in a little bit to do my eyes, and I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And the first colour I'm going in with is this one here, just in my crease. And I'm going to be using my Morphe R37 brush. Then using a different brush, I'm using my Sephora Pro Feather White Crease brush. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Cranberry shade here, also through the crease, but I'm just going to take this with a light hand and just a little amount. And then just going back in with the first shade on the first brush and just blending any harsh lines, harsh edges. I'm then going to use my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark shade here on the outer corners. I'm then taking those same colours on the lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. I'm then going in with this Colourpop Supernova eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Firecracker. It's like a Christmassy red, cranberry red. So I'm just going to paint that on the lid of my eye. I'm just going to blend that in with my e.l.f. brush here, just to neaten up the edges. Now time for eyeliner, and I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. Now for some clear eyebrow gel. This is the Glossier Boy Brow Clear Gel. Then I'm just going to set my face before mascara using my NYX Matte setting spray. Then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers and apply the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now for lips, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Hot Red. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Hot Cerise. So there you have it. This is my classic red cranberry Christmas makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos, and I have lots of Christmas makeup tutorials on my channel for you to watch. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!